How to fix PowerShell has stopped working error on Windows. 1. Enable the Windows PowerShell and turn Windows features on or off. 2. Run the Windows PowerShell as admin. 3. Using a different Microsoft account. 4. Run Quick Assist in Windows Safe Mode or Clean Boot to locate the troublemaker. 5. Run System Maintenance Troubleshooter and Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter, msdt.exe. ID Device Diagnostic. 6. Perform check disk, chkdskc/f, and dism and sfc tools. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 7. Restore your Windows. Reset your device to its factory settings.